Ketogenic diet menu for the beginner, understanding SKD, TKD and CKD. If you have decided to lose weight this spring, then you might want to consider the ketogenic diet. The diet has been around for a long time and was once used to treat patients with epileptic or seizure problems, especially among young kids. Nowadays, the diet has lost its popularity with the advent of prescription drugs that treat the health problem. The diet, however, is used by many dieters around the world because of its efficacy, and although diets have its side effects, knowing about the diet and following the rules can help one lose weight without compromising their overall health. Beginners especially should have a brief overview of the diet and the meal plan to help them make an informed decision should they decide to do the diet on their own. As always, those with health problems should consult their medical health provider so that they can help patients to adjust to the meal plan or to monitor them to ensure that the ketogenic therapy will not affect their health. 3 types of ketogenic diets. Ketogenic diet is a high-fat, low-carbohydrate diet with adequate protein thrown in the meal. It is further divided into 3 types, and depending on one's daily calorie needs, the percentage differs. Diets are often prepared on a ratio level such as 4:1 or 2:1, with the first number indicating the total fat amount in the diet compared to the protein and carbohydrate combined in each meal. Standard, SKD. The first diet is the standard or the SKD and is designed for individuals who are not active or lead a sedentary lifestyle. The meal plan limits the dieter to eat a net of 20-50 grams of carbohydrates. Fruits or vegetables that are starchy are restricted from the diet. In order for the diet to be effective, one must strictly follow the meal plan. Butter, vegetable oil and heavy creams are used heavily to replace carbohydrates in the diet. Targeted TKD. The TKD is less strict than the SKD and allows one to consume carbohydrates, though only in a certain portion or amount, which will not impact the ketosis that one is currently in. The TKD diet helps dieters that perform some level of exercise or workout. Cyclical CKD. The CKD is preferable for those who are into weight training or do intensive exercises, and not for beginners, as it requires the person undergoing the diet to stick to a SKD meal plan for the 5 days in a week's time and loading up on carbohydrates on the next 2 days. It is important that dieters follow the strict regimen to ensure that their diet is successful. These are just a brief overview of the ketogenic diet and hopefully would help one decide if they are interested in the diet. For an in-depth discussion of the benefit and effects of the diet plan, it is best to consult your medical health provider.